Let's start creating. This tutorial will show you how to create your own custom images using the elements in the MAX+Photofy app. First, tap on Photos and Collages to access stock photos or your own. Choose an image to use as your background. Then tap on the Custom Artwork button to access your logos and other fun elements you can add to your image. Do this as many times as necessary. Use the text tool to add any additional information to your image, and format by choosing a font, color, and size to fit your image. Tap on Done to save and share the image via social channels, text, email, and more. For any other questions, please contact us at support.photofy.com. Happy photofying!